In today's video, I'm going to tell you about a dime worth $516,000. We're going to talk about the 1975 No S proof dime. This isn't like a normal 1975 dime you would find in your pocket change without an S. This is a proof dime, and it's definitely one of the most valuable dimes out there. Make sure you stick around until the end of the video so you don't confuse this dime with the circulated version. If you're checking dimes in your pocket change, you will definitely come across 1975 dimes without a mint mark. That just means you found one of the 585 million 1975 dimes minted in Philadelphia. These dimes are very common, and they're only worth 10 cents, unless they're in pristine mint condition or they contain some type of error. You're not going to find the 1975 proof No S dime in circulation. We're talking about proof coins here. There were over 2.8 million proof dimes minted in 1975. These dimes were minted in San Francisco, and they have an S mint mark, or at least they're supposed to. These proof dimes were put into plastic display cases and sold with the other proof coins for the year as mint sets. In 1975, an unidentified woman bought 5 mint sets and discovered that 2 of the dimes in the mint sets didn't have a mint mark. Out of the 2.8 million mint sets produced for 1975, only 2 No S proof dimes have been discovered so far. Sometime in 1980, these 2 proof sets were sold to a coin dealer for a lot of money. A collector in Ohio bought one of these sets for $18,200 and reportedly still owns it to this day. The other set was sold for almost $40,000. At some point, the dime was removed from the plastic display case and sent in to be graded. The dime was graded by PCGS as a proof 68, which is almost a perfect 70. It later sold at Stack's Bowers auction for almost $350,000 in 2011. In 2019, this dime was sold twice. It sold for $456,000, and then just 5 days later, it sold again for $516,000. You might be wondering how a proof dime gets minted without the S mint mark. In 1975, the San Francisco Mint was assisting with the production for the Philadelphia Mint. One of the Philadelphia dies was polished and used for a small run of proof dimes. It's believed that most of the proof dimes created with the incorrect die were caught and destroyed. So how do you know if you have one of these rare dime errors? First, you have to find a 1975 mint set. Take a look at the front of the dime. The S mint mark is located above the date of the coin. If you can't find that mint mark on your proof dime, congratulations, you just hit the lottery. Thanks for watching.